something. The last time I reacted to this church, I ended up posting a follow-up video because someone was spilling someone's business on on my comments channel, on my comment section. This bull was on some other hard stuff, and I was like, "Yo, bro, I even banned that guy from my YouTube." Ngi-reactor to this chat. So actually bandleni ufana kaGamelo. Welcome to Mozart Music, a platform where we react to our music ukucula kwabo. Let's break the number, let's try and get the message behind the song. Give positive feedback, we inspire others. Basically, we post non-toxic Zion content. Pasaran. The last time I reacted to this church, ah, ngilwe nomuntu, and we fought. Like this guy. And I was like, bro, if you got a beef with somebody, don't be coming here now and go use other platforms, not this one. So, as I'm currently, guys, we are growing. As I'm currently shooting this, we are sitting on 550. So, today we are reacting to Zamkolo Ministries, Noma Ngi, Noma Ngingakhala, Noma Ngingakhala. So, I don't know what to expect. This church impressed me. I think Bogu Gutwa or something. And from there, I was like, wow. And I don't think I reacted to them again after that. I was like, what, 3 months ago? Damn. But anyway, we are here. We are back at it. So without wasting you guys' time, yes, Bazalwan, let's dive right into it. Okay. And crazy part, yo, crazy part is this was a suggestion, by the way. Well, I was about to react to it anyway, and then someone was like, "Yo, bro, mfana ngibonele badlalile, can't you?" And I even told that person, I was like, "Dog, I genuinely was about to react to that. Like I was anyway, so I might as well give it to them because they told me, bro. Yes, I was planning to, but the fact that they also told me it counts as a suggestion because I haven't done it yet. So even if they told me benzo react, I got fine. You understand? So man, man, I think last time, man, last ish, last time I was baningi, man. But we event or something, bro, and it sounded so good, bro. So honestly speaking, I'm kind of excited. I genuinely want to hear. When I figure they just settle, and then yes, another way the leader, bese kungena i-alto, bese i-bass will start the verse again, and then they'll go together, bro. So I don't know what to expect. Let's get to it. Yeah. That is power. Brothers, people are not singing. They're chanting, bro. Yeah. Yeah. Y'all are not singing, bro. Y'all are protesting. Y'all are like, yeah, we done said. Oh my god, that's a bar. What you mean, man? So for English viewers, Indian people, the song basically says, even if I do cry, oh Lord, don't let don't let my tears don't let me be seen by people that I'm crying. It's powerful if you have to really think about it. I'm so sorry. It does not matter when or how or what am I crying for. Oh Lord, let I not cry in front of people. Because hey, I mean when you break down the song itself and the meaning you think about, you can come up with a lot of scenarios as to why do you think a lot of people just don't want to cry in front of other people, bro? Yeah, I understand because like it's just too many things going on. Now, dissection. Is the first part is where Ipek. Ipeka she's far behind, but Nuyamuzwa. She is there. E Alto is the one that is driving the whole song. When I keep saying good bro, this Zion Wamanja is so beautiful. We are coming up with new ways now. I understand? Yeah, he's the lead. Lead J. But E Alto is the driving force behind this, and then Besukuba Isala. Another one. DJ Samolo. Ngakhala ngali then namanje. I'm still saying it. That is nah, fam. Nah, fam. Yo, hey. This song is powerful, bro. This song is powerful, man. until when you get joined by the church that is hosting. That's when you know who you are. Are you guys saying God bless me, God bless my friends and I, so that we have so that we have the same mind and not be jealous of each other? That's what you guys are saying. Because anga what? I think that's what they're saying. I'm not sure, but I think that's what they're saying. I think they're saying that because kusisa mina nabangani bami ukuthi kungabi nozozondo munye. Cause I mean that is a powerful prayer, man. Hey, it's hard, bro. It's let me tell you something, bro. It is genuinely hard to have friends who will be genuinely happy for you when you succeed. Some friends have this mentality of why is he succeeding more than me? Why does he have more than me? Why is he doing more than me? Yeah, I understand. And it's crazy because we all have the same 24 hours in a day. But how you use your 24 hour is different from another person. Right? You have friends who likes to see you happy, who like to see you succeed, but not more than them. So having to hear such a song, it's crazy. Right? You can hate to some color all you want. This is good. Nah, this is good. You see, there's a part I'm gonna pause it on it. Ne? That's the part that made me go like, yeah, you can't touch them now. you see that part from 6 minutes and 4 seconds to 6 minutes and 8 seconds. That is a section of this song that when I look at it as I'm reacting in my head, I'm like, yeah, yeah, now nobody can touch them. Now they are elevating, bro. It's always that small moment that will always give you either goosebumps or will give you verification that you know what, now now this is good. Oh my god. If I want so guys, please write the lyrics down. Ah, guys, I don't think we are ready for what Zamtolo is about to do. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I don't think we are, eh? Nah, I don't think we are, bro. I feel like Zamtolo is about to do something extravagant. Why do I feel like that? I don't know, bro. Yes, but I just feel like Uzamtolo is about to telling you when I watch this piece. So yo, in the favorite of Mr. Chupit, I'm signing out. Adios.